Oh, this is our upright car refrigerator, specially designed for Tesla Model Y. As you can see, it doesn't require any modifications to the vehicle. Just put it in, adjust the screw lift, connect the power supply, and that's it. We use a two-stage buffer hinge design so front and rear passengers can easily access it with a simple press. We still use the compressor to reach the fastest cooling speed in such a compact body. You must know that generally such a small body only allows semiconductor cooling. Through the continuously optimizations of the internal structure, we achieve the cooling in fact of rapidly dropping to -6 degrees in 20 minutes. In addition to cooling, it can also be heated. We have set the most commonly used 3 gears: refrigeration, freezing, and warming for you, so you don't need to bother to adjust it. And even if the refrigerator is used for 24 hours a day, the power consumption will be less than 10 kilometers. In addition, you can remotely switch the refrigerator to the central mode, so you can guarantee that the temperature you want can be met anytime, anywhere.